Python, where is a true built-in file object required? From the Python docs on erlib.erlopen, talking about the file-like object, the function returns on success. It is not a built-in file object, however, so it can't be used at those few places where a true built-in file object is required. What are those few places where a true built-in file object is required? NB. This is purely out of curiosity. No practical problem to be solved here.
As the other answers have noted, there isn't really anywhere that specifically needs a file object, but there are interfaces that need real OS-level file descriptors, which file-like objects like string.io can't provide. The OS module has several methods that operate directly on file descriptors, as do the select and map modules. Some higher-level modules rely on those under the hood, so may exhibit some limitations when working with file-like objects that don't support the filename method. I'm not aware of any consistent documentation of these limitations, though, aside from the obvious one of AVAPIS that accept numeric file descriptors rather than objects. It's more a matter of try it and see if it works. If things don't work, then this is something to keep in the back of your mind to check as a possible culprit, especially if phrases like no attribute named FileNo or invalid file descriptor appear in any relevant error messages.
Things in the subprocess module need a file object with a FileNo callable attribute for stin, stout and stir, which only files with a file descriptor, real files, should implement. Izati should also be implemented only in real files, but I don't know where it is needed.
For example, f.fileno doesn't necessarily return a true OS-level file descriptor that you could use with os.read.
이 풀 유한테 추시고 플리즈 컨시더 서브스크라이빙